Made a wrong turn once or twice, dug my way out, blood and fire, bad decisions, that's alright. Welcome to my silly life. Mistreated, misplaced, misunderstood, Mr. No Way, it's all good. It didn't slow me down. Mistaken, always second guessing, underestimated. Look, I'm still around. Pretty, pretty please, don't you ever feel like you're less than perfect.
God, you look beautiful.
Don't make me cry.
Like you're nothing, you are perfect to me. You're so mean when you talk about yourself. You're wrong. Change the voices in your head, make them like you instead. So complicated, look how we all make it, filled with so much hatred, such a tired game. It's enough, I've done all I
Today, I give myself to you in marriage. I promise to encourage and inspire you, to laugh with you, and to comfort you in times of sorrow and struggle.
I promise to love you in good times and in bad, when life seems easy and when life seems hard, when our love is simple and when it is an effort. I promise to cherish you and to always hold you in the highest regard. These things I give you today and all the days of our lives.
You are perfect to me. You're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect to me. Oh, you
I now pronounce you with the powers invested in you, husband and wife.
It's like all of you.
You're perfect. You're perfect. And pretty, pretty please, don't you ever feel like you're less than perfect. Pretty, pretty please, if you ever feel like you're nothing, you are perfect to me.
Kyle, she's all yours now.
We've been waiting for the chance to feel alive. Nothing's gonna stop us, nothing's gonna top.
And we are super happy to have you, Kyle, officially in our family. And all of your family.
What a feeling, 'cause I feel like dancing high. Got a feeling.
Marriage isn't easy, and there will be a million things that annoy you about the other person. Just remember, though, that when you are feeling that way, so is the other person. And even when those million things are bothering you, there is one thing that is most important. Is that you can't imagine your life without the other person. If this stays true, then the years will fly by and your love will stay strong.
Cheers to everyone.
Like a light show, free yourself and let go. Time to see it all.
Life is a journey. We choose our own path, and these choices create our future.
Was your adventure call? There are whole new worlds to see.
Every twist, turn, and miraculous detour has its purpose. The path of life captures the essence of life's odyssey and reminds us all that we are connected.
This is where it all begins. This is where it all begins. This is where it all begins. 'Cause this could be the best day of our lives, yeah. This is where it all begins. This is where it all begins.